Passing score, get at least 23 points. To get 76.7%.
Studio.
One. Which of the following statements is definitely true about the nature of science? A. Science will help make the world a better place to live in. B. Science can always uncover the truth in the realm of nature. C. Scientific work requires a dedication that excludes the lives of people in other fields of work. D. Theories in science can be disproved by testing. Correct answer, letter A. 2. Which of the following processes is best associated with technology than with science? A. Designing for a need. B. Uncovering natural phenomena. C. Discovering the nature of matter. D. Constructing concepts, principles, and laws. Correct answer, letter A. 3. Which of the following statements best describes the connection between science and technology? A. Scientists use the laws and principles discovered by technologists. B. Technology is the part of science that deals with mechanical problems. C. Technology involves the practical applications of scientific knowledge. D. Science depends on technology for ideas and the organization of experimental work. Correct answer, letter C. 4. Which of the following is a technological concept rather than a scientific concept? A. Tungsten has a high melting point. B. Metals are good conductors of heat. C. Resistance is inversely proportional to current. D. Fluorescent lamps are improved through methods of manufacturing. Correct answer, letter D. 5. You want to add exactly 35 grams of salt to a solution. What instrument must you use to measure this amount? A. Beaker. B. Thermometer. C. Graduated cylinder. D. Triple beam balance. Correct answer, letter D. 6. Young people stand straight. Very old ones usually stoop. Why? A. Sedentary lives of the old. B. Habit of stooping developed in the old. C. Greater gravitational pull on the old than on the young. D. Bones of the old have become weak and soft, and their joints become loose. Correct answer, letter D. 7. Why is it not quite possible for viruses to live and multiply in the outer layers of our skin? A. The outer layer of the skin has dead cells only. B. The outer layer of the skin has oil which is harmful to viruses. C. The outer layer of the skin has a lower temperature unsuitable for viruses. D. The outer layer of the skin has salt from perspiration which is harmful to viruses. Correct answer, letter A. 8. Alcohol thermometer works on the principle that A. Volume usually increases with pressure. B. Temperature usually increases with density. C. Volume usually increases with temperature. D. Temperature usually increases with pressure. Correct answer, letter C. 9. Which of the following is an important factor in explaining why seasons occur? A. Earth's axis is tilted. B. The sun's axis is tilted. C. Earth rotates on its axis. D. The sun rotates on its axis. Correct answer, letter A. 10. To preserve the fertility of the soil, Farmers should employ the following except A. Strip cropping, C. Terracing, B. Continuous farming, D. Contour farming. Correct answer, letter B. 11. How can the presence of a person afflicted with HIV and or AIDS be handled? A. Discreetly reporting the case to health authorities. B. Conducting home forum to discuss the identification of AIDS cases. C. Avoid and discourage patronage of places frequented by these persons. D. Discourage the establishment of recreation centers like cabarets and discos. Correct answer, letter A. 12. The following describe chemical change except A. Chemical change takes place when a solid is changed to liquid, then changed to gas. B. For a chemical change to take place, heat, light, or electricity is either needed or given off. C. Some examples of chemical change are souring of milk, ripening of fruit, and digestion of food. D. In a chemical change, a new substance is formed, with chemical properties that are different from the original substance. Correct answer, letter A. 13. Where do we trace the El Niño phenomenon? A. Rising ocean levels. B. Very severe earthquakes. C. Annual changes in seasons. D. Thinning or depletion of the ozone layer. Correct answer, letter C. 14. Why does the greenhouse effect result to warmer temperature near the Earth's surface? A. Clouds trap infrared radiation. B. Soil absorbs incoming radiation. C. Ozone traps ultraviolet radiation. D. Carbon dioxide traps infrared radiation. Correct answer, letter D. 15. Why do people feel warmer just before it rains? A. Heat released by the condensation of water vapor. B. The clouds prevent heat from escaping the earth. C. The increased relative humidity makes them feel warmer. D. The warming is due to the heat absorbed by the evaporation of water. Correct answer, letter A. 16. A good method to prevent soil from being eroded from a hill is to A. Irrigate the area. B. Plow the hill regularly. C. Plant only and alternate layers. D. Plant the hill with grass or tree. Correct answer, letter D. 17. The possible interconnected feeding relationships among organisms in an ecosystem are termed A. Food pyramid. C. Food chain. B. Food web. D. Food groups. Correct answer, letter B. 18. Two beakers contain boiling water. Beaker A has a volume of 150 milligrams while beaker B has a volume of 600 milligrams. Which of the following statements is true? A. Both beakers are at equal temperatures. B. Both beakers have the same thermal energy. C. Beaker has more thermal energy than beaker. D. Beaker has a higher temperature than beaker. Correct answer, letter A. 19. On the ground, Francis weighs 500 n. A board flying at an elevation of 1,500 m. What would his mass be? A. 5 kilograms. B. 50 kilograms. C. 100 kilograms. D. 150 kilograms. Correct answer, letter B. 20. How will you classify the statement, the Earth's outer core is a liquid? A. A law. B. An inference. C. A theory. D. An observation. Correct answer. Letter B. 21. To save fuel, it is advisable to keep your pot tightly closed while cooking. This prevents A. Escape of nutrients. B. Escape of steam, thus built up pressure. C. Escape of substances which tenderize the food. D. Escape of vapor which increases the boiling point. Correct answer. Letter D. 22. Not all organisms are harmful. Which of these is done by yeast? A. Encourage disease food. B. Cause Yakult to be milky. C. Cause milk to become cheese. D. Promotes the rising of bread for baking. Correct answer. Letter D. 23. Which of the following organisms is used to convert milk to cheese? A. Bacteria. B. Viruses. C. Protozoa. D. Algae. Correct answer. Letter A. 24. Why do mountain climbers use oxygen equipment at the top of high mountains? A. There is a hole in the ozone layer. B. There is less oxygen in the air at great heights. C. There is less nitrogen in the air at great heights. D. There is no air on top of very high mountains. Correct answer. Letter C. 25. War experts use energy in its discovery of nuclear bombs. When energy is released from a nuclear fission, what occurs? A. Atoms are split into fragments. B. Energy is released from fission. C. Decrease in mass nuclear bombs. D. The energy possessed is used for bombing nations. Correct answer. Letter A. 26. Which of the following alternative sources of energy could result to acid rain? A. Solar. B. Geothermal. C. Biogas. D. Nuclear energy. Correct answer. Letter D. 27. Which of the following is predicted to be the result of global warming? A. Rising ocean level. B. Thinning of ozone layer. C. More severe earthquakes. D. Larger volcanic eruptions. Correct answer. Letter A. 28. Billy is one student who tries his best to submit laboratory reports, projects, and other requirements on time. Which of the following scientific attitudes does Billy possess? A. Patience. B. Open-mindedness. C. Responsibility. D. Honesty. Correct answer. Letter A. 29. A manager of a textile company said, "It is too expensive to treat liquid waste, so he suggested digging a hole near the factory, where the wastes can be stored." Is this environmentally safe? A. No, the liquid can be recycled. B. No, the liquid waste will seep to the groundwater. C. Yes, the liquid wastes will be less hazardous with time. D. Yes, the liquid will pass through layers of soil and becomes clean. Correct answer. Letter B. 30. The air in Metro Manila is now heavily polluted with carbon dioxide and lead dust from the motor vehicles, factories, and restaurants. As a citizen, you will minimize pollution by following all the following practices, except A. Bury garbage rather than burning it. B. Burning garbage in your own backyard. C. Participate actively in government street planting project. D. Help disseminate information regarding the advantages of using anti-pollution devices for motor vehicles. Correct answer. Letter B. Thanks for watching. Please do support me to my content. Pasok Soc-9 subscribe button.